Welcome, in front of me is a Realme C15 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's open up the settings app. From there scroll all the way down to additional settings, where you will find at the bottom backup and reset, and all you need to do is tap on erase all data factory reset and then erase all data. Now once you confirm this, all your personal data will be removed. That includes pictures, videos, music, any kind of file that you have put on the device will be completely gone. And if you want to, keep that, you might want to back it up before, assuming you haven't done it yet. Or if you don't want it, then simply put in your code if you have one and erase data once more. And the phone will begin removing everything. So this will take about a minute or two. And once it's finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.